Good morning, guys. So before I start this video, just keep in mind this whole video is going to be filmed on the new iPhone 11 Pro. I'm not going to use any filters or color correction, not even an external microphone, nothing. I'm just going to drop it into the computer, edit it, and that's what you're going to see. So I hope this phone does a pretty good job with the quality. So we'll see how it comes out. So let's get back to the video now. So today I'm going to be installing a air cup system on my car. The reason I'm doing this is because my car is actually sitting a little higher than I wanted to. But the reason I have it this high is because in my house, I have this real steep driveway. So I really can't go any lower with the car. If I go any lower, I just won't be able to get out of my driveway. The way I have it right now is scraped, but it just graces the cement when I'm getting out. But I like to go a little bit lower because the car would just look a lot cleaner. And I want to be able to go to more places with the car because that's one limiting factor of the car right now. So with that said, I bought this air cup kit by Stanceparts. Right here are gonna allow me to get about 2 inches of height out of the car. So let's get the coilovers out, put them on, and start working on this. This is a universal kit, so there's just a couple measurements you have to be aware of. I'll show you guys once we get to that part. Alright guys, so once you take your coilover off, all you have to do is take the hat off. And then you have to slide the cup over it. Now, what's happening here is that I need to get this hole right here to sit on this part right here. So when you buy these coilovers, you gotta make sure you measure this to find out the diameter. That way you can get the right size on your cup, because this is actually a seal and it has to fit pretty snug in there for it to work. If not, it's not gonna work. Air's just gonna escape. So the next step, because I want it to sit on that, I gotta lower the spring down. Now that I got it, I'm trying to get it right at the edge at the top. Okay, the next step is put this washer on top. And then we have another spacer because you have to gap out the hat from the actual cup. So you want to try to have a gap right here, because when you start turning and this starts moving, this cannot make contact with this or it's going to damage it. So that's it. Just put it together. I'm just going to get it in the car and move on to the tank. Okay, so I'm all done with this part. Okay, so now I'm at the shop. I actually got the cups installed last time at home. I put the tank in the back. I didn't want to mess with the electrical. I didn't really trust myself, so I brought it to the shop, and I have the guys here helping me out. So I know the way we're doing this, it could have been a lot nicer, but this is the way I chose to do it because I want to keep everything hidden. So we're gonna try to make it look nicer, but there's only so much we can do. But I chose to do this. You think the O is on?
You can look at the writing too. They wouldn't flip it up.
So this is the way my trunk looks now. Clean, everything hidden, just the way I like it. All right, guys, so this is it for this video. I actually like the system. It came out really nice. I've been driving around. The car actually feels the same, like I'm just riding on the coilovers. It feels great. So I really like this stuff. Only time will tell how I really feel about it, but for now, I'm pretty happy with it. But yeah, till next time, guys, I'll see you guys later.